Today is day 8 of 12 days of OpenAI, and they just released updates to ChatGPT Search. I just finished watching the live stream, and let me take you through everything step by step and also share my thoughts on these new updates. First off, ChatGPT Search is now available to all users with an account completely free. Previously, only Plus, Team, and waitlist users could access it, but now anyone with a ChatGPT account can use this feature. I think this is a great move because it removes barriers for people who need quick and accurate answers, like if they're researching for work, and it also puts them in direct competition with Perplexity. Also, it's available across different platforms. You can use ChatGPT Plus website, or you can also use it on their desktop and mobile apps. The second major update is the ChatGPT browser extension. You can now search directly from the browser's URL, and ChatGPT will provide answers instantly. I tested this out and it's a smooth experience. Instead of switching between search engines and ChatGPT, everything happens in one place. Next up, they also showcase the revamped ChatGPT Search UI, which I think is the biggest part of this update. ChatGPT now integrates features like maps, reviews, and even video playback directly into the interface. I tried asking for dinner recommendations in San Francisco, and not only did it provide a list of restaurants, but it also displayed their locations on a map with reviews and ratings, all within ChatGPT. I think this makes ChatGPT more practical for everyday use, and also keeps more users on ChatGPT instead of having them jump over between apps or websites. Another nice feature is the ability to watch videos directly within ChatGPT. I tested this out by asking for some instructional content, and it played the video seamlessly. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference in how interactive and useful ChatGPT feels. The search capabilities for stocks, weathers, sports, and news have also gotten a big boost. I asked about Nvidia stock, and the response was great. It showed a detailed chart with performance trends, recent news, and insights about the company's growth. For weather, I tried a query about New York, and ChatGPT gave a full weekly forecast powered by AccuWeather, keeping the UI clean and informative. For sports, you can also look up team schedules and even ticket advice. Let's try the Golden State Warriors game schedule. ChatGPT Search nicely showed the upcoming games and also highlights nice ticket availability for specific matches. And I do think these small changes make the experience much richer. Another big update they shared was how ChatGPT handles news. It includes links to trustworthy sources like AP News, Reuters, and Financial Times right below the websites, allowing people to go deeper and view the sources. This is a big thing for transparency. Also, behind the scenes, ChatGPT Search is powered by the fine-tuned version of GPT-4 with enhancements from advanced synthetic data techniques. It also uses third-party search providers and content directly from its partners to deliver high-quality, up-to-date answers. And this is because OpenAI has collaborated with publishers like Reuters, Le Monde, and Condé Nast, ensuring that premium journalism gets highlighted. They also mentioned in the live stream today that ChatGPT Search has been integrated into voice mode. So you can ask search-related queries and get a response with audio. Overall, I think these changes are a really nice enhancement to GPT Search, but I'm actually excited for what they mentioned at the end of the live stream, which is tomorrow, day 9, that they're releasing tools for developers, like a mini dev day. So it'll be exciting to see what they have in store for tomorrow. Let me know in the comments how you're planning to use these new search features, and as always, have a great day and see you in the next one.